Welcome to this video where we're going to show you how to receive with Tasklet Mobile WMS. And we're of course receiving against Dynamics 365 F&O. And one of the cool things about the solution is that once you receive an order, you can actually just pick up one of the products and then scan that product once you go into the receive feature. And once you scan the product, the system will filter the orders for you. So in this case, it found out which order to work with. Now just start scanning your items. The system will tell you which location you need to place it on, and then you can finally confirm the quantity of the items that you're receiving. Next up, you'll just go ahead and scan the next products. And again, the system will tell you exactly where to place that. So the location of where the item needs to go to is of course coming from F&O. Again, you confirm the quantity that you're placing in your location. The next product we're going to receive has batch number tracking. So all of that is of course fully set up in F&O, that if you have products with expiration dates or batch number tracking, then you need to scan that as well. So here he's scanning the location, and now the system says scan the batch number. And once you've done that, you also confirm the quantity that you're receiving. Tasklet Factory also covers GS1 barcodes or data matrix barcodes. So you could have one barcode that included both the batch number, the expiration date. So in one scan, you could actually receive all that information. So the last item we're about to receive is this product with serial number tracking. So now the system asks you to scan the location. And when you have products with serial number tracking, you need to scan the serial numbers individually so we can put that information into F&O, which specific serial number you received for the item. So once you've done placing those items, the system now asks for the packing slip. And if you have that as a barcode, you can just scan it. But in this case, we want to type it in manually because we didn't have it as a barcode. So you can of course use the scanner to type that in. Once that's done, the system is now connecting to F&O and posting that purchase order. So that means the product receipt has been posted and everything has been updated now in the ERP system.